So I get this question about O-rings an awful lot, and I happened to see a post this morning with the same question of somebody asking. So last week I was out at a show. On my way back, I got a flat tire on my 920. My 920 has Hemet rims. I put the rims and tires together 2.5 years ago using the O-rings that I sell. So here is the O-ring that I sell. You see that's a round O-ring. That is how the O-rings in your Hemet rims, your Humvee rims, your 5-ton rims, your LMTV rims, all your military rims, they start round, just like this O-ring. However, when you take the tire apart, the rim and tire combo apart, here it is. This is the same O-ring right here. That's how it started off new, round. If you look at it now, it is no longer round. You see how it has a weird crease in it. Sometimes the crease is more in the middle, depending on the rim that you have, whether it be a 5-ton rim, a Humvee rim, or whatever. So even though your O-rings, when you take your rim apart, they aren't round, I assure you, they started round. It's just over time, this is how they force form into, because the rim halves are doing their job with the O-ring to pinch this and seal your tire and keep the air in your tire. So yes, to answer that age-old question, your O-ring started round and no longer is round when you take your rim apart.